Hi everyone, today we will study special products and we will discuss the sum and difference of two terms, and another form of special product is the square of binomial. First, let us define special products. Special products are simply special cases of multiplying certain types of polynomials together. Let's begin with our first special product, and that is the sum and difference of two terms. And the pattern is like this. We have x plus y multiplied by the x minus y. So the x, or the first term of the first group, is the same with the first term of the second group. The second term of the first group is the same with the second term of the second group. The only difference here is the sign. This is plus, the other is minus. Or sometimes we can put the minus sign here and the plus sign on the second group. So according to the rule, the answer here is the first term, that is x, we will put a square and then minus, and that is always minus. The second term, y, will be squared. Let's have a quick multiplication for this x plus y times x minus y. So we have to multiply x by x, we will get the x squared. We multiply x by the negative y, we will get this negative xy. The y multiplied to x, we will get the yx, or we can put xy to show that the similarity with the other term here. So we'll put xy, and y multiplied by negative y, we will get the negative y squared. Then we can see that we can cancel the negative xy and the positive xy here. So copying the remaining terms, x squared and then minus y squared. And we can see that this product is the same with our formula here. So now we are ready to take some examples. Example 1, x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5. So we will use our formula. We will take the first term x and then we will square that. Then minus, we will get the second term 5 and we will square that. And then we will just simplify each term to be x squared minus 25. So this is our final answer. Let's have example 2, 2x minus 10 times 2x plus 10. So this time the negative sign comes first and the plus sign is in the second polynomial. So the same idea, we can use this formula. So what we'll do, the 2x, that is the first term, we will put it here and square that, and then minus the 10, the second term, put it here and then square that, and we will simplify each term. So the 2x all raised to 2 becomes 4x squared, then minus the 10 squared is 100. So this is our final answer. Example 3, 4x plus 7y squared multiplied by 4x minus 7y squared. The first term 4x is squared, then minus the 7y squared is again squared. So we simplify 4x all raised to 2, it becomes 16x squared, and then minus the 7y squared is raised to 2, so it becomes 49y raised to 4. So this is our final answer. Let's go now to the square of binomial, and this is of the form, the first part is x plus y raised to 2. So this is the sum of two terms and raised to 2. In the book, we write the answer it to be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. It means to say, if we're going to square a binomial or the sum of two terms, we expect three terms in the final answer. So let us examine one by one. The first term here is simply the square of this x. So you see here it is x squared. The middle term, the constant 2 will always be there. And then the xy here is actually the product of these two terms, x times y. So this is xy. And the y square here is the square of this y, the second term of our binomial. So that is y squared. So again, when we square a binomial, the answer will be three terms, and this answer is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So let's have a quick multiplication of this x plus y all raised to 2, this square of binomial here. So what we'll do, first, we are going to expand the exponent. The power 2 simply means we have x plus y times x plus y. And then we will do the long method of multiplication. One by one, we will multiply the x with the x. We will get x squared. X multiplied by y, we will get the xy. And then the y multiplied to x, we will get the yx, or we can write it also as xy. And the y multiplied by y, we will get the y squared. There are like terms that we can combine. xy, another xy, we'll put 2xy. So the final answer, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. We can see that this product here is the same with our special product on top here. It means to say, we can now use this formula in some of our examples. So example 1, the a plus 3 is raised to 2. So in our answer, we expect three terms represented by these three blanks. So the first is the a is squared. The middle term, the a and the 3 are multiplied here with the 2 constant. We will not forget the 2. And that is for the middle term. And the last blank is for the 3 to be squared here. And then we will simplify each term. So the a raised to 2 becomes a squared. The middle term, 2 times a times 3 becomes 6a. And the 3 squared is 9. So the final answer is a squared plus 6a plus 9. Example 2, 5x plus 2y all raised to 2. So for our three terms, directly I put here. So the 5x comes from the first term and it is squared. The middle term, the times 2, the constant 2 I mean, is here. And then I copy the two terms, the 5x and the 2y are here. And the last term will be the 2y must be squared. And then simplify each term. So the 5x power 2 becomes 25x squared. The middle term, 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is 20. And the xy will just include. So the middle term is 20xy. Plus the last term, the 2y is squared. It's now equal to 4y squared. Let's go to the second part of the square of binomial when we have a difference of two terms and it is squared. So x minus y all raised to 2. In the books, we will see that the answer is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Actually, we have the same idea with our first part. If you look at the first term here, the x squared, it comes from the first term of the binomial that is squared. So this is from x becomes x squared. If you look at the middle term, we simply multiply by 2 and then times the product of these two terms here. So x multiplied by negative y, you will get a negative sign. That's why you see here there is a negative sign. So negative 2xy in the middle term. And the y square actually comes when we square a negative y. Of course, we know that negative times negative will be positive. That's why here it is positive y squared. So these are the three terms when we square a binomial like this, the difference of two terms. So let us have a quick multiplication to verify our product here. So the x minus y all raised to 2, we can show that this is x minus y times x minus y. Then we will do the long method of multiplication. We distribute one term to the other terms. So you see here x times x will give us x squared. X times negative y is negative xy. Then the negative y times x can be written as negative xy also. Negative y times negative y is positive y squared. You see here the middle terms, they are like terms that we can add together. So we have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And that is the same product that we see on this formula on top. So we can now use this formula to solve some products of this pattern. Let's have example 1. 1 minus 2x raised to 5 all raised to 2. So we have the three terms here. The first term is the square of the number 1. In the middle, I put the constant 2. I copied the 1. I copied this 2x raised to 5. Actually, the negative sign is already in front. And the last term is the 2x raised to 5 power 2. There is no issue if you put also the negative sign here. Anyway, because of the square here, later it will just be deleted. Then we simplify each term. 1 squared, we know it is 1. So the middle term minus 2 times 2 is 4, x raised to 5, and then plus 4x raised to 10. So this is our final answer. Let's have example 2. 4x minus 3y all raised to 2. So our three terms, the 4x is squared here in the first term, and then minus. I will put my constant 2. Then I will copy the 4x is here, the 3y is here. And then plus, for the third term, the 3y is squared on the last term. And then we will simplify all the three terms. For the 4x, all raised to 2 becomes 16x squared. The middle term, 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 is 24. And then the xy are included in the middle term. And the last term is 3y all raised to 2 becomes 9y squared. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.